We got a great build going on here. We have the customers right there. I wanted to get them on camera, dropping off their F250 Lariat Sport, gonna get the Covert Edition package. They're extremely excited. I'm extremely excited. Here's a good before shot of how it's sitting. What a phenomenal truck in the stock form, but when we get done with the Covert package, it's gonna be next level amazing. They are ready to have this thing and take it on their adventures of drag racing and racing galore. Great true customers right here at Akins and Willies. Let's get after it. So as always, y'all, I got busy and was only able to come up and see, here's some shots of the progress of the great customers F250 Covert. I'm up at the shop now finally and have not got to see the truck completely finished. I know this one's gonna be special. So you remember the before shots earlier in this video of how great the truck looked. The Lariat Sport has a great, unbelievable package, y'all. Yes. Yes. Just a huge improvement in every facet and area. What an incredible truck. Covert Edition. Yes. I'm so pumped, y'all. Check out fuel siege wheel, looking so legit. Oh my gosh, y'all. This is a great overall setup. 37, 12.5, 20 Toyota Open Country mud terrains. Our 2.5-inch level kit with Fox shocks. We trimmed that front valence up like a trimmer. Looks so much more premium and sporty. The BDS dual Fox steering stabilizer. Unreal. Our mild to wild scale is perfect. Love the overall balance of this setup. That offset 20 by 10, -18, has us sticking out a good 3.5 inches. A great overall balance on such a big truck on 37s. They were all honestly debating between 37s and 35s, and they're gonna be so happy. I'm about to go down there and show it to them, y'all. Gonna be so happy with how well the 37 looks. Overall great appearance. Hooked them up with a Ronin 50 cal to cap it off. FX4 package, rear wheel well liners. We did airbags in the rear also, along with Fox shocks. This is the manual kit, so we nice and clean put their airlines right where the tag goes. That's a great overall way to do it. They got a nice UWS toolbox in there, but leveled on 37s. If you're looking for an everyday drivable Super Duty truck on 37s, Willies is your source, y'all. Leveled on 37s, 2.5 inches, legit with the proper kit, shocks, great with entire combo, black on black. This truck is a diamond. It's my diamond of the day, a Super Duty Covert in our shop. Everybody's gone, but we have a great staff that take care of things for us on the daily, y'all. So much appreciation to all of our techs, everyone a part of Akins and Willies, and much appreciation to our great customers, because without you, none of this would be possible. So the trust and confidence in us as a dealership and accessory store is so primo. So thanks so much, y'all. Now let's go down the hill and see their actual reaction.
Take it off.
So y'all, the other day I got them on camera. They didn't want to be. They don't want to be on camera again, but they were definitely satisfied and happy with the truck, y'all. Again, thanks so much. Another beauty. It's all about you, the customers. It's what drives me every day to be at my best, because oh my gosh, y'all, it means everything. Congrats. Thanks so much.